Hi guys, welcome back to Gratefully Vegan. I'm Padma and today we are exploring the biggest meat-eating country in the world and all the options that it has to offer for us vegans. Welcome to Serbia, where people eat meat for breakfast, lunch and dinner, sometimes as a snack too. And they also have meat slavas. They have all kinds of holidays when they eat a lot of meat. I'm from Macedonia and we share a lot of cultural similarities with the Serbian people, and I used to live in Serbia, so believe me, they do eat a lot of meat. So is it possible to eat vegan here in Serbia, in the Balkans? Yes, it's definitely possible and it's very simple and easy. We have the magical word called Posno. This word opens the gates of the vegan heavens in the Balkans. Both of the countries are Orthodox Christian, which means that we have fasting, a lot of fasting that is mostly vegan. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to make a video of all the traditional dishes in Serbia and Macedonia and the Balkans generally that are vegan. We are going to explore two cities in Serbia. Belgrade, which is the capital city, and it has some very interesting vegan options, and Novi Sad, which is a vegan paradise. It's a small city that has 6 or 7 vegan restaurants. So let's start our vegan hunt in Serbia. So today we are at Smokvica and the food looks very good. I have been here a couple of times years ago, and today we are going to have one of my favorite dishes here. They have amazing hummus with some falafel in a beautiful plate with a lot of different veggies and pita bread to dip in. Let's try the hummus first. I'm gonna dip in the pita bread. It's very warm and like crispy. Wow. Very good. Let's try the falafel now. Dipped it in hummus. It's perfect. So next we have the Thai. Here is some of the tofu and rice. The Thai was great, a little bit spicy. It has some fruits in it, mango and pineapple, and peanuts, and it's really tasty, it's really good. So guys, we decided to go to a restaurant because this detox is very hard, and we got like some amazing food. I can't wait to try it. Most of it is raw. I think like maybe everything is raw. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have this delicious raw soup, raw potash. I'm going to try it now. Oh wow, wow! I did not expect this from a raw soup. Wow, this is maybe one of the best soups I've ever tried. Wow. And Graham is having a sandwich and here he is trying it.
Good.
It looks so amazing, and the most important thing, they have Russian salad with it. That's raw. That's kind of like cool. And this restaurant is called Zdravo Ljubavi, I think. It will be translated as Hello Love, and it's in Belgrade, and I think it's mostly raw. we really liked how it looked on Instagram and we decided to come, and by now we haven't been disappointed. We had smoothies and the smoothies were amazing. So guys, my meal just came and I'm about to try it. It's a vegan burger that's raw and it looks so delicious. Let's try it. Wow, this is amazing and very delicious. I don't know exactly what there is in this patty, but it's unbelievable. And there's some dry tomatoes, I know, and some type of seeds in the bread. Out of this world. Highly recommend it. So today we are going to try some food from Vege Mania. They are a great vegan delivery service here in Belgrade, and I'm very excited to eat their food again. I have tried it multiple times and I loved it by now. And today I ordered something that I haven't ordered before. So first I'm going to try this enormous, huge burger. Let's see first how the fries are. I really love these veggie fries. The thick Balkan fries. Delicious. These are perfect, they're crispy on the outside and very creamy on the inside. Let's try the burger now, guys. It's as big as my head. I don't think I will be able to finish this. So this is a Korean barbecue burger. I'm very excited because it has kimchi inside and I love kimchi. I don't think I was able to get a good bite. Let me try on this side. Wow. So in this burger, I can see they added like extra flavor. I love the taste of kimchi. And the salads, it's huge. This can be shared with 2 people definitely. Now let's try the falafel wrap. So the wrap also huge. They're amazing. Look at that, guys, so crispy. Such a perfect falafel. I have to say this might be like the most perfect falafel I have tried in Belgrade. So even if you order just the falafel, be sure that it will be nice and crispy and soft on the inside, very, very crispy on the outside. I just love it. And the last thing I'm going to try is these veggie rolls, and they come with a sweet and sour sauce. Wow. These people deserve to have like the biggest restaurant in Belgrade. I have to say, this is very, very good. This is so delicious. This is enough amount of spiciness. It has the crispy part that I love about the veggie rolls, and the veggies inside are properly cooked, so it's just like a perfect blend. The chef is amazing, and if you're in Belgrade and you have one chance to eat at only one place, I will recommend this one. Plant Power was so amazing. I was really fascinated by their menu. They had so many options, most probably around 30 to 40 options. Everything was 100% vegan and everything was healthy, which was also very amazing. So here I'm showing you all the menu options. You can pretty much find anything. I ate here 2 times and everything we had, it was so good. So if you're up for some fine dining, this is the perfect restaurant in Novi Sad to go to. So next I had the smoothie. They had multiple smoothies. I can't remember which one I chose, but it was amazing. And then the pepperoni pizza in a vegan style. It was unbelievably good. The only thing that I was kind of wondering about was why they put corn on top of a pepperoni pizza. Okay, so the pizza is so amazing. It's great. Tastes like what I would expect a good vegan pizza to taste like. Hi guys! I just came back to my Airbnb and I got some amazing food from Rekalibracija, an amazing kiosk-like vegan shop, fast food / restaurant in Novi Sad, and I'm about to try it. We got some very interesting stuff here, so let's go. So I'm very excited to try this. I went kinda all out and I got like the most unhealthy option that I could have possibly get, but when I saw double hot dog, I was like, let's try this, because except of the sausage roll from Paradise Food in Budva, Skopje, we haven't had anything similar to this. And this is more of a hot dog that was a bit different. This has some additional sauces and salads inside, even though I'm a little bit worried about the salad inside, since salad doesn't really go in a hot dog. I don't know, what is your opinion? Tell me in the comments below. And I just had to go even a little bit extra, and I got some onion rings. They didn't give me sauce, so that's a little bit of a minus there. But let's try them, let's see how they are. It's amazing. It is missing sauce, definitely. I think onion rings should always be with the sauce. But they're very crispy, very nice and warm. Soft on the inside, just perfect onion rings, really. Like, let's try the hot dog now. So here we are, it looks very good. I honestly have no words. I think they could have escaped the salad. I know not to add it inside. But the sausage is delicious. It's a seitan sausage. The bread is very, very tasty, nicely toasted. It tastes healthy, but also very handmade. It's not like some basic white bun that you're gonna find in the store. This is like very, very nice bread. It looks to me like it's some type of a ciabatta. And I have literally no words about the sauces. The sauces are amazing. I think it has hummus and mayo inside. I might be wrong, there might be something more, but the sauces are just like amazing. Perfectly blends together with the bread and the sauces. We are going to try soup. It's amazing. I can definitely taste the cashews. The name of this soup, it's just soup with herbs, but it has a lot of cashews inside. Next we have the avocado sandwich, and we've been eating this for the past couple of days and we love it, so we just kept on ordering it. So here we go. It's amazing. It's a very nice, simple sandwich, nothing special, but it will definitely clean, and it has great veggies inside. So as a main dish, I ordered the walnut meat, which is kind of like a wrap with meat made out of walnuts, guacamole sauce, and veggies and salads inside. So let's try it. This is big, it's gonna be messy, so let's see. Wow! I actually did not expect this to taste this amazing. This is just incredible. Just look at that goodness. It reminds me of like one Turkish type of wrap. I can't remember exactly the name. It's very similar to that, and it really does taste like minced meat. So huge recommendation about this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm so happy to bring you on the journey around the Balkans and discover all the amazing vegan food that it has to offer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. I will see you next week with another vegan adventure, so be happy and be grateful.